Hi, this is Rich over at TVP Live and a camping enthusiast. Today I decided to build a little addition to my Otoland campfire grill. I call this the BBQ Grill Protecto Case. It's an ash and ember catcher and case in one. As you can see, it's a sturdy clamshell case made of 6-gauge aluminum with removable hinges and a sturdy clasp to hold it all together. Once you open it, you can use the back lid like it is for a windscreen, or simply remove the spring-loaded clips and set them aside for later use. Next, open up your Otoland soft protector case and simply put the BBQ together as described in the supplied directions. When you're done barbecuing, use the top lid of the case to help smother the fire out by placing it on top of your barbecue. This will help keep the embers in and reduce oxygen to your coals, helping to put them out. Finally, when all the coals have extinguished and the barbecue has cooled, you'll want to empty out all the burnt ash and discard the ash in a proper fire receptacle or fire pit. Then start dismantling your Otoland barbecue to put it away. Don't forget to fully clean it with a wire brush and rub some mineral spirits on all the barbecue parts to keep them clean and rust-free. Now all that's left is to repackage your barbecue into the aluminum Protecto case, replacing the spring hinges to lock the clasp to keep it all nice and tight. Well, that's it for today's demonstration. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Over and out.